Okay, so if you are enrolled in the Loyalty Rewards program, you should have received an email stating that you have a free emergency pizza test for you. I got my email November 10th. As you can see, it has here emergency pizza for Domino's Rewards. Okay, so let me just scroll here. So starting tomorrow, which would have been the following date, I was going to be able to redeem my free Domino's emergency pizza, which of course you can actually use within the next 30 days. If you have that, go ahead and claim it. Okay, and as you can see here, with the coupon applied, I'm saving $23.73. Okay, so I claimed my free medium 2-topping emergency pizza for carry out or of course delivery, and then I had some reward points, which of course you should too if you are in fact enrolled. You've been signing into your account whenever you're wanting to make a purchase, whenever you're wanting to execute a transaction, because hey, these points will help you save money. I had 70 in total. I will be redeeming 60 so that I can get the free Mediterranean veggie sandwich. So as you can see, both of my items are actually free. So that I can apply an additional 5% deducted off of my subtotal, I'll be utilizing my Cash App card. You'll be selecting the card icon. That's how you'll have access to your boost, in which Domino was applied towards this transaction at an additional 5% off of my order.